I'm a Yankee Doodle dandy, Yankee Doodle do or die. I'm a real live nephew of my Uncle Sam, born on the 4th of July. I've got a Yankee Doodle sweetheart, she's my Yankee Doodle joy. Oh, Yankee Doodle came to London just to ride the ponies. I'm that Yankee Doodle boy. You're a grand old flag, you're a high-flying flag, and forever in peace may you wave. You're the emblem of the land I love, the home of the free and the brave. Every heart beats true under red, white, and blue, where there's never a postcard rag. But should old acquaintance be forgot, keep your eye on the grand old flag, and then give my regards to Broadway. Remember me to Harrow Square. Tell all the gang at 42nd Street that I will soon be there. Now won't you whisper of how I'm yearning to mingle with the old-time throng. Give my regards to old Broadway and say that I'll be there ere long. Yankee Doodle dandy, you're a grand old flag. I'm gonna be there